What's good, YouTube? You already know it's your boy D coming back with another video. And today, this is an update on my dreads, man. I ain't dropped a video in like 4 days, man. I gotta come back with an update. Y'all already know. But before the video start, go smash that subscribe button, bro. We on the road to 1K. Come on, let's get to 1K, bro. Y'all, we like 10 subscribers off 600. Let's go and hit this 600. Come on, y'all tripping. But yeah, it's your boy BPD coming back with another dread tutorial. And yo, we finna stop. We ain't even finna talk no more. We finna get straight into it. But look, as y'all can see, my hair been congoing up a little bit more. I don't know if you can see it, but like I've been trying to let my hair get in congos. You feel me? Like, look at this section right here. I've been trying to let all this congo up. I don't know if you can see it. I've been trying to let that congo up with each other. And yeah, just like that. And I think I wanna try some wigs. If you don't know what wigs is, go look that up on YouTube. You can look it up on YouTube or on the internet. Wigs like the Florida Boy dreads. I really wanna try that. It's like you gonna have like 4 dreads like that. One right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. But yeah, I really want to try that. And a lot of folks been asking, I've been still getting questions on how to get the afro under here. You see how I got the afro under my hair? Like under my twists, I got an afro. Let me show y'all for example. Like this one. You see how it's an afro still? And this one. See that afro still right here? Alright, so listen, let me tell y'all. This is my last time telling y'all. Y'all gonna have to go watch the old videos like this video if I gotta tell y'all again. No, I'm just playing, but I tell y'all. Y'all gotta give me 600 subscribers first. But listen, just grab a piece of hair, whatever you want your afro under, and you see how this afro under here. Just twist this part right here. This part that you want to lock up right here. Just twist this part and hold one hand on this part, and you can see how it's still an afro down there. Right here, but it's a twist right here, just like that. You know, look, it's still an afro under it. Just do that, and eventually, a couple months, your hair gonna lock up, and when your hair lock up, you good. You can wash it and all. But like I was telling y'all in the last couple videos, if your hair is not locked, do not wash your hair. Like, do not wash your hair. Don't let no water touch it, cause your locks gonna come out. I feel like if you do want to wash your hair, don't use hot water, use cold water. That's what everybody say. Not Nation, shout out to Not Nation. I watch him in his Freeform dreads. Not Nation them, they say use cold water to wash your hair if you still like in your twisting stage and all that. Alright, I'm back. But yeah, like I was saying, yeah, cold water and all that. And look, y'all can see back here. Y'all see how like these ain't even locked up yet. Like they still small, like afro like type. You know what I'm saying? Like these ain't even the same length as these right here. So look at this. It's like the whole back area of my hair. All that right there. Hey, listen, I'm finna tell y'all how to get y'all hair to lock fast. Freeform dreads in 24 hours. Twist your hair the whole day. Go take 24 hours out your day. If you like bored on Christmas Eve, I know a lot of folks ain't getting out on Christmas Eve. We out of school right now. Christmas Eve, everybody gonna be in the house. Just the whole day of Christmas Eve, just be twisting your hair, twisting your hair. Wake up, twist your hair all day. I'm telling y'all, y'all hair gonna lock way faster. The more you twist, the faster it's gonna lock. Like, the more I twist my hair, the faster all this that ain't locked in the back. Like, well, it's like locked, but you know, not how I want it to lock. The more I twist it, the better it lock. So, twist your hair all throughout the day, and you got a better chance of your hair locking up. But yeah, let me see. What else we could talk about on these freeform dreads? Look how when you got dreads, you see how my dread is right here, like all this skinny, but it get thicker right here. Like I don't know why, but yeah, I don't know. I really don't. But yeah, when you have dreads, a lot of your hair gonna like, not a lot, but some of your twists is gonna come out. Like look, this twist right here, it was way longer. It was probably about right here, but some of it came out. Like I wish I still had it just so I can show y'all, but a lot of it be coming out. Like the more you twist, it'll come out. This dread right here, it was way longer. It was about like down here, but it came out too. But I'm looking rough right now, y'all. I don't get no haircut until Christmas Eve. So I'm gonna make a video on Christmas unboxing my gifts. And I got some heat, y'all. I got some heat. I ain't gonna spoil it. But you better watch that video though. I got some heat. You feel me? Look at this shoe collection back there. I just cracked it. But yeah, I got some heat back there. Telling y'all better stay tuned to that video. Heat. But like I was saying, I gotta clean this up. I just broke a light bulb. Let me get my slippers. But like I was saying though, yeah, you can really get freeform dreads in a matter of a couple months, like 3 months. It just depends on how much you twist your hair. I don't really twist my hair that much because my majority of my hair locked and it look a little hard now to me. But I'm still waiting on it to get longer. But it's your boy BPD video. I'm finna really, I ain't gonna lie, I've been slacking on the videos lately, so I'm finna really start back posting for y'all because I know y'all miss these hair videos. And plus we all out of school, so I'm finna go through y'all journey with y'all. So when it's time to go back to school, y'all hair can be looking right like mine, like freeform dread, like your favorite YouTubers. But yeah, like Bentley TV, all them. But I'm finna go through this freeform dread process with y'all while we out of school, so when it's time to go back to school, you can be looking good, get all the girls and all that. But it's your boy BPD, and I'm out.